what makes her special. Next, we've got another Detroit indie band, Hardcore Kids, Whatever You Want.
Alright, so I am here in Seattle for the weekend, and we thought it'd be a fun idea to build a project together.
The only problem is that he has very limited time, and we also don't know what we're gonna make.
So we're gonna come up with a project idea, spend the day building it, and yeah, hopefully we'll make something cool.
Yeah, cool.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, so let's think about the idea. I mean, we can't make anything too big, like we don't have that much time.
Yeah.
We can target like a really niche audience that we know a lot about. Or we could just try to make something fun and generic.
Let's definitely do something more niche. Let's start with a hobby that either of us are kind of into. We can do climbing.
We can do video editing, photography.
I think we finally decided on what we want to do.
We both have an idea that we're both particularly interested in, and so we're gonna just give those ideas a go for an hour and see where we get with it. We give each project a good hefty attempt, and we'll see where we end up with that. So, all right.
Okay, cool.
Let's do it.
This. All right. So for my app idea, I want to take the existing camera app and make it a little bit better. So one of the big problems that me and my friends deal with a lot is we do a lot of climbing, and while we're climbing, we like to film ourselves. Well, it's kind of a hassle to have to constantly walk back and forth between the wall and the phone just to start and stop a video. So for this app, what I want to be able to do is when you stand in front of the camera and give a thumbs up, it'll start the video, and then when you do an open palm gesture, it'll stop the video. Now, I need a way to be able to accomplish this, and I did find something from Google called Media Task Pipeline. If you go to their website, you can kind of play around with this tool, and you can make different hand motions in front of the webcam, and it'll show you what hand shapes the model is able to recognize. So I think using this, I should be able to accomplish this, but yeah, we'll see how it goes.
I cannot look up anything. Like, look, just nothing is loading, bro. Nothing is loading, man.
We're having some technical issues. The internet is actually kind of slow here at my house.
Is it going?
It's connecting.
Oh, okay. Dude, that is abysmal, bro. I'm sick of your Wi-Fi, and your router sucks, so we're gonna go to Best Buy, and I'm going to personally buy you a new router so we can actually do some work. I think this is gonna work.
Okay,
And we can always return it. If it doesn't
Yeah,
work. So
and-
I'm not even kidding. The 1 hour it'll take to go there, buy the thing, install it is actually gonna save us more time than like waiting. I ran one brew command, and it did not finish installing in like 20 minutes. Like,
Oh,
wait,
how many do we need?
2. Oh my gosh, just so much better, bro. Oh my god. So I'm making a simpler app. I'm making an app that will notify you when your phone temperature is getting too hot. So if you see here, I have a pretty simple UI, and it's meant to send you notifications while you're using your phone. And actually, it's meant to be more of a background process that runs all the time, and it's meant to monitor your phone's temperature all day so you can kind of see what apps and processes are leading to the high temperature. Now, unfortunately, what I've learned is that iOS apps are pretty limited as to what they can do in the background. So even though I can get the temperature, I can't monitor it all the time while it's sleeping or while you're using other apps. So for now, I'm gonna just shelve the project and I'm gonna go work on the camera app. So. All right, so I got his side of the project running and working.
Fist, open palm.
Was it trained on your hand?
There should be a thumbs down and thumbs up. Wait, this is pointing up. Oh, so I wonder if. Oh. Wait, it worked. Capture. It worked. It worked.
Yes. There we go. And we're making progress.
I am unfortunately a little bit handicapped. This is coding now.
This is true coding.
This is coding. I'm a prompt engineer.
So we're finally able to fix the orientation bug from last night. It was a little bit of trouble that we went into. The agents couldn't figure out what was happening. And so we have to deep dive into the code itself. So now the app is working. It recognized the gestures in the correct direction. So we're gonna go to the climbing gym and test it out in the real world. So if I do this,
Okay, it just started.
Nice. Okay, and we do like stuff, and then open palm.
Yep. It just stops. Okay.
Stopped?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. All right, here we go.
Next take. So I've got the hand. I'm just tracking.
Oh, no. No, it's not working. No. What's happening? Okay, that worked. That worked.
Oh my god. Stop.
You gotta get closer.
Stop.
Okay, there we go.
Oh.
We got some bugs to figure out. I think it's just you're too small because we haven't tested 0.5x. We added
Try one.
0.5 like literally 10 minutes ago.
Wait, try it on one.
All right. Well, no, it's still not working. I don't know why it's not working. Why isn't it working?
Okay guys, just want to give a little status update. So I did just try out the app. Distance-wise, I find it actually works quite well. However, I really like listening to music while I'm climbing. As you can see, I got AirPods on. So what I found is every time I would try to play music, the app would crash. That's definitely a bug I'm gonna have to fix before launch. But yeah, I mean, these are the kind of things you never really catch unless you're out doing testing, doing the real world scenario and putting it in the customer's hands. So I'm really glad I'm out here, but yeah, that means I gotta get back to work. Gotta fix this.
So we finally finished the app. We're getting ready to publish it onto the App Store. Yeah, we did all the major features that we wanted. It has a lot of the main stock camera app features like 0.5x, 1x, 2x zoom. It has self-timer, and of course it has the gesture feature so you can start and stop recordings or take photos remotely.
Yeah, we also added like a whole photo gallery feature. So when you record things, you can organize your footage directly into an album. So like, let's say as I'm filming, I wanna record all my climbing footage into the Fuzzwall project, and so anything that I record, it'll just go straight into that, and then I can click into here and see my footage, and I can go through all the different clips and stuff. I also added the ability to kind of flag items, delete it. If you do flag any media, it'll show up directly into this like custom flagged album. So yeah, just things to keep all your footage organized, basically.
The project went well. As you saw, we fixed and encountered many major bugs, but it was a fun and learning experience, and yeah, it was fun to get out there and actually make something.
It was a lot more fun than I expected, and I think now more than ever is the time to start to realize your own project ideas. If there's anything that you've been considering building, like just go out and do it, try it out. I think we've been doing software dev for a long time, and I think that now is definitely the easiest time to be building anything.
For sure. Hopefully by the time this video's out, the app's on the App Store, and if it's not, we'll let you guys know. Let us know if you enjoyed this video. We'll make more like them. All right, take care.
All right,
Peace.